update on Mooseburger Lodge is I just exit Space Race. So I spot a few new things. First of all, there's a ladder. 2, I don't remember that desk bow thing being there. And also 3, remember how earlier this was board up? I don't know how good you can tell through the glints of the sun, but I can see new windows for my stance that I don't remember being there before. Interesting, no more door there. And I don't know if you can tell this, but I see lights on inside. Too bad I can't cross this border line to have a sneak peek through the windows. Will they be using the stage for the summer shows? I'll be interested to see that. Let's see if I find any changes from the other side. Seriously? Oh, when I get that white... There's no doors on the left, I could tell. No more doors on the right? Interesting. Oh, I see some changes. I'm going the other side of the sign. Okay, still says Mooseburger Lodge. First of all, if I get this to zoom in, there's new windows here. Still the original set of doors, but now that is brought up over here. Yep, that's board up. And forgetting about that board up, what's next to it right there? New windows. Yeah. Same old doors. Interesting. I wonder what's changed on the inside. I feel that still aiming for July 4th to open this, so I'll be interested just to look around. And what's amazing to me, this stuff is Mooseburger Lodge. And there's still moose colony on the outside. Alright, let's update. I did not look at the update last time I was here. I was now on the side of the park. So this is several new updates, things I find. Alright, I'll turn this off right here.